everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do things a little bit differently today. And we're just going to jump straight into the video. So the very first thing that I am doing today is tying my hair back, so that way any of the white paint that we end up using will not be in my hair as much, at least. So I'm going to go in with this white body paint. This is the third white paint that I've tried. Is the one that worked the best. I did get this at Party City for about $5, I believe. I'm initially going in with this Moda brush, but I ended up realizing that it works better using your hands, so you'll see me kind of going in and blending it all out with my hands. Also, another thing that I did learn when I filmed this 2 times before this and this time is that light layers are always better than one giant thick layer. So light layers, blend with the hands. Also, don't forget to take the white paint and kind of blend it down your neck, since you do see a little bit of your neck. But you don't have to worry about your ears, since the headpiece does cover your ears. Just kind of fill in your neck a little bit. After the paint dries, I'm going to go in with this Onyx palette from Limelight by Alcone, and I'm taking this black eyeshadow in there, and I'm just taking a giant fluffy brush, and I'm filling in the hollows of my eyes, just kind of really darkening it up and just putting that black down. We'll kind of add more detail later. I'm also going to run this under my lower lash line as well, really smoke it out. Now that we got both the eyes done, I'm going to very messily take the same exact black out of the same palette, same brush and everything, and I'm just going to messily dab that all over my lips, making sure I get them very dark and covered. I'm also kind of going to extend past my lips as well towards the sides, just because the lips are very messy on the nun. So we're going to make our lips very messy as well. So it's okay to be messy on this. With the eyes too, it's okay to be messy. It's fine. Be messy. Now, using a pencil brush with that same black eyeshadow, I am kind of using this to carve out the sides, or not the sides, like the crease between my nose and my face. On my reference picture, there is a lot of shadow and depth right here, so I'm being sure to kind of add that as well. My reference picture also shows she has like a little crevice or shadowing and shading on the tip of her nose, so I'm doing that using the same pencil brush. Going back in with my fluffy brush, I'm just going to kind of continue blending out on my eyes. I'm going to bring some of the black in onto the bridge of my nose, as there is a lot of it on the bridge of the nose, and I'm also going to kind of shade it down a little bit more on the side of my nose. Now I'm going to go in with this black kohl liner. This is from Maybelline, and I'm going to tight line my eyes and apply this black kohl liner in my waterline as well, so it's very black around the eyes. Now I'm going to use the Urban Decay Gwen Stefani palette, and I'm going to take the black in there. It is a little bit more pigmented than the black I already used, but this black is just going to go back in and kind of deepen up the black on our eyes some more, and help smoke out even more, if that makes sense. So go back in and blend. Really blend this into your eyebrows so they're kind of hidden into the black as well. Now I'm going to take this really flat, skinny definer brush, using that same black eyeshadow. I'm going to kind of start mapping out and drawing the cracks and crevices that the nun had over her face. So I have this one going down my forehead. I have this one coming off of my eye. I have one kind of coming down on my chin. Just looking at my reference point and kind of going everywhere where those little cracks and crevices are. Now I'm going to go in with the same definer brush, and I'm going to start to carve out my cheekbones so I look a little bit more skeleton-ish like. I'm going in with the definer brush first, but I'll go back in and blend it out with that fluffy brush. I just wanted to get that sharp line on top. Now I'm going back in with the Urban Decay Gwen Stefani palette, and you can see me, I'm actually blending it out with that giant fluffy brush. Instead of it being a straight black, I mixed the gray in the palette with the black of the palette, so it's not as harsh on the eyes. And I did kind of round it out a little bit at the end when I got closer into my mouth. Now to get even more defined little cracks in my skin, I'm using a black liquid eyeliner. This is the one from NYX. And I decided I kind of wanted to get my lids even blacker, so I'm just honestly applying this black liquid liner from my lash line all the way up to my crease, and I'll go back in with my fluffy brush and kind of blend it out at the crease. Now I'm going to kind of put my headpiece on. I got this particular headpiece at Party City. Oh my god, look at me! I look like a nun! But the transformation is not yet quite complete. Ready, set, bam! Colored contacts for you. I got these at a local store. I don't remember the exact name, but I'll leave that in the description bar below. Let me know if you like this transformation, and I'll see you in my next video. And don't forget to like this video as well. Bye! See you next time.